So here's how you can remove background noise in Capcut. So you can open up Capcut and then find the video that you want to extract the background noise from. Once you have done that, you want to click on the video just like that. And then at the bottom, you basically want to scroll until you find the option that says extract audio. Click on the extract audio button. And then now that means audio has been extracted. So now the audio from the main video has been completely deleted and then now has moved on to a audio at the bottom. So now what you want to do is at the bottom, you want to find what says reduce noise right over here. Click on that. And then simply all you have to do is turn the toggle on and click on the check mark. So then now you have removed any sort of background noise or any like background chattering, clicks or whatever that may be ruining your video. So that's how you can remove the background noise in your video. However, if you do not like how it turned out, all you have to do is simply click on the reduce noise, click it back as that. And then you can simply delete the extract audio and click on the video again. And then at the bottom, you want to find what says recover audio. Click on that. And then now everything has been turned back to normal.